Mr. is maintaining the corrupt situation of Nigeria. How was the election that culminated to 6 million votes conducted? You see, Mr. Oye is acting as if things are okay. That's why I tell you that black people, you are entering into the ditch. It's just like Oye has diabetes. He's not taking insulin. And he's talking about how healthy he is. He has to discuss that he has diabetes. The 6 million vote which he's talking about, how did it come about? So is Mr. Oye maintaining the status quo of criminal Nigeria? Is that what he's saying? So he himself is not pure to demand somebody to be pure. Because if Mr. Oye is honest to himself, he would have said, hey, wait a minute. The election was not conducted well. He could have given the background. But if somebody who doesn't know Nigeria, let's say a young boy just starting to read international politics, sees Mr. Oye talking, he will think that, oh, Nigeria conducted the election very well and Peter Obi had 6 million votes. There was no election done in Port Harcourt. You saw how election was done in Lagos. You saw how INEC tallied the result, refused to follow their own regulations, and told you to go to court. And so he's supposed to give us the background first. Before then he can say, all these things happened because of, then I will understand him. But he was talking as if Nigeria was moving well. That he's deceiving himself. Black people is slowly dying in Africa, slowly but surely, unless something is done to reverse the death, slow death. These are cowards. You will not stay.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.